happens to be a neighborhood with Japanese luxury car street names. So I am standing at the corner of Lexus Lane and Acura Court as I'm coming to you right now. Check that out. Here's another angle of Acura Court as it intersects with Infinity Lane. I'm really quite sad to report though, I don't see a single Acura on this street. If I lived here, actually, if they have an HOA, there should be a requirement to support the neighborhood name and have the proper make of car in your driveway. Funny stuff. Checking in for a hotel night stay at Sheraton Universal here by Universal Studios in Los Angeles. This is clearly a place where some people have had some fun with their cars. It's a little turnout here on Angeles Crest Highway. I'm kind of midway between LA and kind of the Palmdale side of town. Great road for a nice handling car, for sure. I just got some cool backstory on this. There used to be two of these sort of castle looking things and an arch, a pedestrian archway that would connect them from 1926. Really loving this little side tour I took through the Big Pines Highway, which leads me down off Angeles Crest toward my nightly destination in Palmdale. Wind is kicking up. But this is the little stop called El Yermo, and there's the post office.
Oh my, that is an Acura legend, or I guess a Honda legend, all the way from overseas. How cool is that? Cool.
You guys aren't gonna believe this little miniature engine I got. My brother mailed this to me and I gotta finish unwrapping it, but if that is not the coolest thing I've ever seen, I don't even know what is. Unreal. Look at the detail on this thing. Crazy. There's my NSX hanging out here at the dealership. On display at Acura Tempe. Inventory is a little bit light, so they asked if they could park one of my cars here, and there it is. Today is a special day. It's like Christmas in November. I got a special delivery here. This just cracked open 33 years later. It's a cardboard box that has a book in it, Honda, an American success story. And we go in here, guess what car's on the cover? None other than an 88, 89 Prelude SI. That is cool. Here goes my friend Tom, visiting from Wichita, Kansas.